So pardon my appearance, but in this video I want to concentrate on the hair, and this video is going to be if you have really fine hair like mine. So I'm starting off by using this leave-in conditioner, and this one I'm putting all over, even in the roots, because it's not gonna weigh my hair down. And there's no way my hair is gonna get detangled if I don't use this product. It does come in a bigger bottle, but I like to transfer it to this one. It's just smaller and more convenient. Using that with your hair wet is gonna be a disaster. So much of your hair is gonna fall out. So I'm just putting some more wherever I need. Again, this is not weighing my hair down. Now we're going to blow dry. Again, you will see how I start detangling my hair so easy and purely just with my fingers. No brush while your hair is wet. I do have the blow dryer on high heat. I'm gently detangling hair. Some of it falls out because it's so fragile, because it's so bleached and blonde, but nothing compared to like if you were going with a brush. Fingers through my hair. I'm not really going through the roots and like brushing down with my fingers. That will weigh my hair down. And you see how easily this is detangling. That's why I'm obsessed with this leave-in conditioner, and it's by Milkshake. The brand is called Milkshake, and it's the leave-in conditioner. It smells delicious. I've showed it in several of my videos. I have several hair care videos if you want to see a playlist. And if you see how straight my hair is coming out too, just like that with my fingers, is also because I have the keratin treatment with. I have videos on that. So purely fingers all the way until it's like, we're gonna say 95% dry, 90 to 95% dry. You really want to keep repeating this process until you feel your full head, back, front, and the sides is almost 95% dry. This is very important. So now that I have my hair exactly where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and use this brush. I love using this one, and you see I am brushing up, okay? Never going down except in these areas where I do not need volume whatsoever. Right there where I'm brushing right now, I want it nice and sleek, but you already see the volume on the top. So the thing is, whatever side you style your hair, you want to make sure you're brushing the opposite side, okay? I was missing this step for years, and that's why my style was like super flat. It's already hard enough to get volume, but if you brush or start drying your hair the opposite side of where you style it, you're gonna get the maximum amount of volume. So just look at the way I am brushing, okay? It's not perfect. It's not like, oh my god, this is how they do it in the salon, but this is how I do it, and it works for me. I'm just going through the bottom, and since the hair is almost like 95% dry, I'm just like going over it to like straighten it, okay? So I don't have to use any other tool. So this area I'm going down because it doesn't matter. It's not in the root, so it doesn't matter. I'm just going with the blow dry with my fingers because I noticed in the back, which usually happens, it's still a bit wet, and I do not want to go with the brush around that area if it's still wet. So I'm just drying it out a bit more. So now that I'm done with that step, I'm just like pushing my hair up a bit because it's gonna grab that style while it's still hot. So that's all I'm doing, just pushing it a little. And you see the volume. If you have very thin hair, you will consider this volume. This is like the most without like putting rollers or anything or a brush. And now I'm flipping my hair to the side that I normally style it, and just look at that volume, and in no way do you want to use a brush for this, because it's just gonna weigh it down. So I'm strictly doing my fingers, and just look at that. Look at that volume. The only time this wouldn't apply is maybe if you style your hair just down the middle, but if you part it to like a certain side, just go the opposite. So basically here, all I'm doing is styling it with my fingers, never going towards the root. If you want to use the brush, you use it down, okay? Not in the roots at all. And I'm just basically going over the ends just to make sure everything's nice and smooth, since I didn't use like a brush. And just look at that volume. If you can't see it well, it's because my roots are starting to grow in, but I know you can see the volume. Like, it was very different when I styled it the wrong way. I hope this helped you out. I know you guys wanted more hair care or hairstyling videos, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.